Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all protocols duly observed. I'd like to say good morning and welcome esteemed investors, members of the National Advisory Board for Impact Investments, members of the members of the Impact Investors Foundation, funders, partners. So welcome to this very first Investors Roundtable we are organizing. And this is an opportunity to strengthen partnerships with all of you, our investors, financial institutions, thought leaders, to explore the latest trends in impact investment. With continued support, this roundtable has played a pivotal role in shaping our understandings of investors' criteria and advancing funding opportunities for Nigerian MSMEs. Many of you have been with us from the beginning when we established the Impact Investors Foundation, and our mission was to unlock private capital for impactful investments. And we know for us to grow the volume of impact investment, we need the participation of capital from both the public sources as well as the private sources, from institutional investors like pension funds, insurance, and others. Today's conversation is themed Catalyzing Impactful Investments in Nigeria, Unlocking Opportunities, Driving Sustainable Growth. It reflects our shared commitment to accelerate capital flow towards investments that generate both financial returns and measurable social impact. This roundtable seeks to answer many questions, but one pertinent question that we must answer before we leave here today is, what actionable steps can we take to accelerate and enhance the volume, composition, and flow of capital towards impact investment in Nigeria? Through our conversation today, we will highlight the gaps and the current opportunities that we haven't yet fully harnessed within our ecosystem. We'll also identify barriers that impede us from taking advantage of these opportunities. And finally, with your support, we intend to design actionable strategies that can be implemented by stakeholders in the short term to medium term to advance impact investment, to arrive at a sustainable development future for our country. So over the course of this event, we have brought together subject matter experts, industry leaders, who will provide insights to the conversation. Also, we have a report which was commissioned by the MasterCard, sponsored by MEDA. We'll have insights to the report, and the report will examine how increased local capital domiciliation could attract greater international capital flows into Africa. I would like to emphasize the urgency of unlocking capital for sustainable development in Nigeria. While the impact investing ecosystem is evolving, funding sustainability remains a huge challenge for us. Historically, many impact-driven enterprises have relied on international capital to scale their solutions, and this is evident in the report that the Impact Investor Foundation commissioned in 2019, which showed that development finance institutions provided 80% of the impact capital in the country, while 20% came from local sources. We need to address that, particularly while shifting global financial priorities, rising interest rates, donor fatigue. It is clear that relying solely on international funds is no longer sustainable. To build a resilient impact economy, we must look inwards and tap into local capital pools, including pension funds, government resources, high net worth individuals, and corporate investors. To attract more local investment into impact-focused sectors, we must address key barriers, educate and engage local investors, de-risk investments and create an enabling environment for private investors. So today's conversation must transcend beyond just discussions. We intend to collaborate with each and every one of you who would like to innovate and take decisive steps to unlock the full potential of impact capital in Nigeria. By doing so, we can empower businesses, create jobs, and drive sustainable development across critical sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, education, renewable energy, etc. I'm immensely grateful to our funders, the Ford Foundation, the Research Fund of the United Kingdom government, for their continued commitments. A strategic partner in my bank. I encourage you all to fully engage, share your insights, your thoughts. Let's explore partnerships that will pave the way for a more robust and inclusive impact investment ecosystem in Nigeria. I'm confident that the deliberation from this engagement will lead to actionable solutions that will drive progress, foster economic development, and encourage a more robust and inclusive impact investment ecosystem in Nigeria. Once again, I thank you all for your dedication to supporting the growth of impact investment in Nigeria, for those also supporting social enterprises with high growth potential through capital scaling. Thank you so much. We do not take your time for granted. Many of you have left your busy schedule to be with us today. I look forward to a productive engagement and discussion with each and every one of you. Thank you very much for this opportunity and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.